Hello, I'm Jonathan from BigCommerce, and today we're going to be looking at removing these product thumbnails that you can see here below the main image for any site where you only have main images on the products, because obviously if you had multiple images, then these thumbnails are great for showing the different images, but if you don't need them, then it just looks a bit clumsy having a repeat of the main image shown as a thumbnail. Now, some theme settings have that as an option where you can actually say don't show the thumbnails, but most themes don't seem to these days. So basically, I think what we need to do is just make a simple style sheet change. Now, what I would normally do here, this is the Vault theme under BigCommerce, but it will be similar under other themes. But if you right click and inspect, I'm in the Chrome browser here. If you inspect the code here, and let's just use this little icon here to just sort of highlight the general area. It's basically here. So we've got product view thumbnails as a class. And if you look over here, you can actually see what's in that class at the moment. Now, what I would expect to be able to do, and we can test it here, is to type in display : none, and that has worked. So basically we need to build that into the custom style sheet in the theme. Now if you've already got a custom style sheet, then you'll be able to put it straight in there. If you haven't got a custom style sheet, you will actually have to get that into your theme. You'll have to look at one of our other tutorials to find out how to do that if you haven't done that already. But we have done that on this particular site, and you can actually find it in Assets, SCSS, and we've got a file called custom.scss here. Now, what's in there at the moment is there are just a few tweaks that we've done to this theme so far. So what you can do from the inspector, if you copy this whole area here, like that, and then paste it into your custom style sheet. So I'll just put it in there. Now, the only bit that we're changing is the display none. So what we'll do is get rid of those other commands there. Now, I expect this to work straight away. If it doesn't, you may have to put in the important flag to force it to actually use this. But if we can do that without putting important in, it would be better, because then you're just letting the style sheets cascade in the way that they're meant to cascade. So let's save and apply that and see what happens. So this takes a few seconds whilst it just goes and checks that you haven't put anything incorrect in the formatting here and the syntax. So if we go back to here now and refresh the page, we should find that the thumbnail stays away, and it has. So that's good. That's worked first time, which is great. Sometimes you have to hold the control key down when you refresh the page, or the command key, just to force it to actually clear the cache. But that's worked fine. And if we go and look at some other products on here, we should find that it's applied it to those as well. And it has. So hopefully that will help if you're looking to do a similar thing on your theme. This should give you some pointers. Okay, I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks. Bye for now.